Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over, is the Typhur Sync Air Fryer dishwasher safe? Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're done using the air fryer and you're wondering if you can just throw it into the dishwasher. Is it actually dishwasher safe? And so with the Typhur Sync Air Fryer, the basket and as well as the grill plate that you see right over there, both are dishwasher safe. So you can actually use a mix of baking soda and water to remove any hard grease and then actually place this inside the dishwasher. In addition to that, the Typhur wireless thermometer, the casing is not dishwasher safe. However, the probe that's included with it, so this portion here, this is actually dishwasher safe as well. So all three items, which includes the probe, the basket, and as well as the grill plate, those can be placed into the dishwasher. This right here, the actual casing, do not place that in the dishwasher, okay? But with that being said, I hope this video is helping you out. Let me know if you guys have any questions.